everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Nur Hamida. I'm a college student at the University of Surabaya with student number 220-200-84-171. In this final test, I choose the topic about family with the prompt nature versus nurture. What do you think the most powerful influence on a person's character between those? Okay, let me tell you about that. Ladies and gentlemen, nature versus nurture has fascinated researchers for centuries. However, I believe that the most powerful influence on a person's character is nurture. How can? Let's begin by examining the concept of nature. It is true that genetics can have component on our character traits and behavior. For example, some studies have shown that some mental health such as depression and anxiety can have a genetic component. Similarly, like our color eyes has a different color. It can be because either the impact or the complicated of our genes. But nature just only goes so far. On the other hand, the environment, the experiences that we have, all shape who we are as individuals. Because why? How can it be? Some studies show that the environment can build someone's character, can influence someone's character, and those has a big impact, a proven impact for our character. For instance, a child who rise in a loving and supportive environment, it can be made there being a strong character with the sense of empathy and compassion. How about the other? How about a child who grew up in an abusive family or bad family with bad environment? How about that? Can be made they are being a character with the lack of confidence, low self-esteem, and struggle with trust issues. Moreover, we have to know and note that the influence of nurture are not limited for children. Why? Because we are continuing our life with the differences, environment, the jobs we have, and all about around us that influence our characteristics. So, while a genetic can have a role play on a person's character, but I strongly believe that the nurture is the most powerful influence. From that, we know that the most powerful influence on our character is nurture. So, we have to look for a good environment. With the good environment, we can make our life is more powerful, is more. We can use the some tips of parenting to build a child characteristic. Last but not least, environment is influence our beliefs, our relationship, and our behavior. So, please to look for your environment, and from that we can take a lesson for our next generation and make they are being a good person with the strong characteristic and a confident. That's all from me. If you have any question, you can ask at the comment or you can ask me directly. The last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.